What?
Medicine to Jews.
What?
He prescribed medicine to Jews.
Shoot. Andrew. Don't go to Crouch Creek, Utah.
Pee real bad.
To the Jew.
I need a moment.
Okay, what?
I'm gonna wait for Jess. Turn something up. It's gonna get real boring because we're waiting for Jess to go to the bathroom.
The bowel for him?
Yeah. So who thinks it's for the Jews?
I think everything is for the Jews. Everything is for the Jews.
Just wait, the choices only get better.
Oh, yeah. I hate the end of it when it goes, New Year! Like everybody dancing together. Do it. New Year!
He's like angry about it.
New Year! What are you even laughing at?
Derek went to bed too early.
Yeah.
Right in your butthole. Oh, yeah. Oh, you love it. I know you do. Oh, yeah, Daddy. It's disgusting. Oh, listen to him. Listen to him. Oh, you love that. Ah. Oh,
Thank God I was not the one to bring a 16 to the face. Because I almost did. And that's bad. I was even Mozambique
Yeah.
to start.